a sound, but your silence still remains. Every heartbeat whispers softly through the pouring rain. I smile for the world, but my soul still calls your name. Nothing feels the same, nothing feels the same. Midnight paints the sky in shades of blue and gray. I'm counting every memory that slowly fades away. Your shadow walks beside me in every empty street. Love that lost its rhythm but never missed a beat. The moonlight knows my secrets, the stars have heard me cry. I've asked the wind 1,000 times the reasons why. Your photograph is fading, but your voice is crystal clear. You're gone from my tomorrow, yet somehow still right here. If love was meant forever, why did we fall apart? Why does every broken dream still live inside my heart? Come back, even if it's only in my dreams tonight. Be the little spark that brings me back to life. I'm still waiting where we promised we'd never say goodbye. Holding on to memories that time could never hide. Come back even for one last goodbye, one last look into your eyes, until the morning finds my soul. I'll keep loving you through the night. Morning breaks, but nothing really feels brand new. Every road I take still leads me back to you. The echoes of your laughter softly fill the air, a beautiful reminder that you were once right there. I keep your words like letters hidden in my soul, trying to mend the pieces that will never feel whole. The seasons changed around me, but my heart stayed behind, still searching for the peace I could never seem to find. If the stars could hear this lonely prayer tonight, I'd ask them to bring back your fading light. Even if forever lasts for just one moment more, I'd hold your hand like I never did before. Come back, if only as a whisper in the wind. Let this broken heart remember how to dream again. Every tear I've cried has carried your name, yet through all the pain, my love remains the same. Come back even if the dawn takes you away. I'll keep your memory alive every single day. Some hearts never stop believing, no matter how far they fall, because real love never truly disappears at all. The night will pass, the sunrise will appear, but a part of you will always stay right here. If we never meet again, beneath the endless sky. I'll love you in silence until the stars say goodbye.